stop it?
Mm-hmm. I started it again now.
What are those? There's two big ones going behind Kate. Oh, I popped it. That one just flew right by your head and popped on Kate. Look, there's just one. Go in the Kate. Oh, with the legs. Switch it around and look, watch. Ready? You made 2 bubbles.
Wow, Junior. You made some bubbles.
Here. Switch it around. Go. Oh, you already popped it, silly. Let me see it.